Can dirty carpets give you rashes? Dirty carpets can cause multiple health issues, some of which you might not be knowing. When your carpets are dirty, they become a host of microbes, bacteria, and other irritants. Here are some of the health issues that can result from a dirty carpet. 1. Skin rash. You can develop a skin rash from dirty carpets at home or work. Dirty carpets in your office are riskier because of the high traffic. Very many people are stepping on it, and if you don't clean your carpet regularly, office users will start getting foot rashes and other complications that are associated with dirty carpets. 2. Respiratory issues. The mold, dust, pet hair, old skin, and dust in a dirty carpet will cause respiratory issues, such as coughing and difficulty breathing. Daily activities such as walking and vacuuming raise these particles from the carpet and spread them in the air. People who are struggling with asthma are more vulnerable to airborne toxins, which makes it a bad idea not to clean your carpets regularly when you are living with such a person in your home. 3. Allergies. The same molds and dust mites that inflame your lungs and cause breathing difficulties can also give you a runny nose and red eyes, especially if you are allergic to them. When you start waking up in the morning with allergy-like symptoms, that is a sign that your carpet has dust mites and bacteria, and it needs cleaning as soon as possible. 4. Weak immune system. Your immune system is always working hard to keep you healthy. Living in a dirty environment will make your body work extra hard to keep you healthy. Your immune can get tired of fighting against bacteria to keep you safe if you are living in a place where there is a buildup of toxins and germs in dirty carpets. 5. Stomach illness. The mycotoxins that are present in a damp carpet can cause severe stomach infections. A dirty carpet can also host salmonella, which affects the digestive tract. Many people think salmonella is a foodborne disease, but it can be present in dirty carpets. Dirty carpets will put your baby at risk of stomach irritation and infections. 6. Pet germs. As a pet owner, one of the many things that you can do to keep your pets safe from diseases is to clean your carpet regularly. Pet urine and feces are dangerous for babies that are in frequent contact with the carpet. The ammonia-like smell can also cause nose and lung irritation.